Yeah, I'm so sorry. All right, so today is what, 12th of November, and we are going to have a new tense. That's what, past continuous tense. So when do we use past continuous tense? When something was going on in the past but not now in the present. We call it past continuous tense. Something was going on in the past. Past के अंदर चल रहा था पर अभी नहीं चल रहा है. For example, I was sleeping. मैं सो रहा था. क्या मैं अभी सो रहा हूँ? No. I was sleeping. मैं सो रहा था. The action was going on. The action was going on. For example, I was writing this. Correct? On the screen, as you can see, 12 November 2020, past continuous tense, continuous past. Okay, present. I was writing this. मैं लिख रहा था. क्या मैं अभी लिख रहा हूँ? No, I'm not writing now. I was writing means what, something was going on in the past. Something was going on in the past, but not now in the present. Okay, this is called past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, when something was going on in the past, we use it past continuous tense. And see, one more thing I would like to tell you, that tomorrow also I'm going to teach you one more tense. Okay, so from the next week we are going to start pure a new topic, a very good topic we are going to start, and that's what, modal auxiliary verbs in English. So please don't be absent. So tomorrow also I'm not going to we are not going to have speaking tomorrow. We are going to have a tense one more. Okay, that's what, future continuous tense. So please pay attention now for the present. What is past continuous tense? When something was happening in the past, it was continuing in the past, but not now in the present. So I was going, मैं जा रहा था. I was sleeping, मैं सो रहा था. I was writing on the screen, मैं स्क्रीन पर लिख रहा था. I was charging my phone, मैं मेरा फोन चार्ज कर रहा था. I was talking to my friend, मैं मेरे फ्रेंड से बात कर रहा था. I
I
was
was waiting.
watching a movie, मैं मूवी देख रहा था. When something was going on in the past, we use their past continuous tense. For example, you were waiting, आप लोग वेट कर रहे थे. I was listening. I was declaring a holiday. Yes or no? So Monday is a holiday. Monday के दिन आप लोग को छुट्टी रहेगा दिवाली के लिए. तो एक दिन चलता है ना बस उतना.
हाँ सर.
Okay.
चलेगा sir.
Yeah.
हाँ
So
सर.
Tuesday we'll have our continuous class. So almost you're going to get, Friday,
Actually
Saturday, Sunday.
कल भी दिया तो चलेगा sir.
हाँ यस सर.
Friday.
Okay, आपका मेन दिन कौन सा है? फ्राइडे है क्या मंडे? ये बोलो आप मुझे.
Friday to Monday sir.
एक्चुअली लंबा छुट्टी हो जाएगा.
बाकी लोग क्या कहते हैं sir?
तो
Okay,
फ्राइडे
बाकी लोग
का
कैसे
सर कल क्लास लो सर. कल
सर थोडं लवकर
कल
या ना
ले
मग.
लो सर
उद्या
क्लास.
काय बोलले?
उद्या लवकर या ना.
लवकर म्हणजे कधी?
अरे
लक्ष्मी पूजन कब है? कल है क्या मंडे है?
मंडे सर. नहीं सर.
Saturday,
संडे.
sir.
सॅटर्डे सर सॅटर्डे.
सैटरडे
सॅटरडे.
है क्या? कल का
सर उद्या थोडं
क्लास.
लवकर या ना म्हणजे सकाळी.
कल भी सर, कल धनत्रयोदशी है सर और पर सैटरडे लक्ष्मी पूजन है.
ओके, तो
कल इवनिंग मत लो कल सर.
कल मॉर्निंग में क्लास चलेगा आप लोग को?
हाँ चलेगा सर.
कितने
चलेगा
बजे
सर.
सर?
मॉर्निंग में आप लोग बोलो, कभी भी चलेगा अपने को.
6 बजे 6 बजे सर.
बिफोर मॉर्निंग 6 मैं तो रेडी हूँ, बिकॉज मैं तो
मैं
क्या
भी
नॉट
ready हूँ.
पॉसिबल फॉर
मैं
मी
भी
सर.
ready हूँ.
सर आई
समझ सिंह नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर.
नो सर.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैडम.
7 to 8 सर.
मैडम ही मजाक कर रहे, मैडम को मालूम है आप लोग नहीं उठते. रिलैक्स.
सर सकाळी
मैं उठती हूँ सर.
मैं भी उठता हूँ, बट बाकी लोग का थोड़ा मैटर है. सो कल एक्चुअली एक काम करते, कल 9 बजे से पहले ले सकते हैं हम लोग.
चालेल सर.
नॉट पॉसिबल सर.
No, सर. मुझे भी नहीं पॉसिबल सर, मुझे टिफिन बनाना होता है.
सर जो
सर,
टाइम है सर वही
possible
रखो
है
सर.
सर मुझे.
बिकॉज सर मतलब मेरा भी सर ऑफिस रहता है, तो मैं सुबह में सर काम रहता है सर मुझे. मैं सुबह में क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर सकता सर.
सर दोपहर में सर.
सर दुपारी ठेवा मग.
तो दोपहर में 3:15 बजे मिलेगा मिस्टर उसामा टाइम?
सर नॉट पॉसिबल सर.
5 बजे सर होगा.
बिजी सर.
एक्चुअली 5 बजे क्लास. We use past continuous tense when something was going on in the past but not in the present. Okay, मैं ऐसा कर रहा था, ऐसा हो रहा था, असं होत होता, असं करत होतो, असं जात होता, असं होत होता, असं बनत होता. That's what past continuous tense. So what is the formula for past continuous tense? Noun or pronoun. What do you mean by noun?
Name of any.
Correct. Very good. Name of person, place, animal, things, and ideas.
Ideas.
Okay. Name of a person, place, animal, things, and ideas are called noun. Noun or pronoun? Pronoun means what? I, he, she, it, you, we, they. We have 7 pronouns in English. Okay. So noun or pronoun plus helping verb. What helping verb are we going to use here? Was for
Was.
singular and were for plural. Past के लिए was and were लगता है, पता है ना? Past के लिए क्या लगता है? Was या तो फिर were. Was were plus verb. Verb first form you have to take. You have to take first form plus ing. Very important thing. Okay. Plus context. That's it. This is the rule. This is the simple rule we have for past continuous tense. Noun or pronoun plus was were plus verb first form plus ing. Okay. I was doing, he was coming, she was going, it was demanding, you were teaching, we were sweeping, they were climbing, etc. So statements, question, negative, we are going to have here. All right. For example, I take the pronoun I plus helping verb was. I singular hai, yes or no? I is singular. For singulars, we are going to use their was. For example, I, he, she, it. I, he, she, it was. Next, you.
We, they.
Correct. We and they. You, we,
Was.
they
Were.
were. Okay.
Where.
Correct. He, she, it. These are what? Singular. For singulars, we are going to use their was. You, we, they are plural. For plural, we are going to use their were. So I plus was. Was is the singular helping verb. I was plus verb. Verb is what? I was sleep plus ing. I was sleeping. मैं सो रहा था. Sentence finish. आगे आप लोग कॉन्टेक्स्ट लगा सकते हो, उसके आगे कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं. I was sleeping last night. मैं कल रात सो रहा था. I was sleeping last night. Question?
Was I sleeping last night?
Correct. I was को क्या हो जाएगा? Was I sleeping last night? Was I sleeping last night?
I wasn't sleeping last.
And negative?
I wasn't sleeping last night.
I wasn't sleeping last night.
Sir, I was sleeping in morning. ऐसा हो सकता ना?
बोल सकते हैं. मैं दोपहर में सो रहा था. I was sleeping in the morning. मैं दोपहर में सो रहा था. I was sleeping in the morning. Was I sleeping in the morning? I wasn't sleeping in the morning. क्या मैं दोपहर में सो रहा था? मैं दोपहर में नहीं सो रहा था. I was sleeping in the morning.
सुबह आएगा ना सर? मॉर्निंग
In the morning. So दोपहर में सुबह में, हाँ sorry, अब मैं सुबह में सो रहा था. Next one, same case. For example, he was. He plus was. Was क्या है? He क्या है? Singular है. So he plus was plus verb. He was writing.
Read.
Okay, he was reading, he was writing. Okay. So he was writing a
book.
letter.
Sorry.
वो letter लिख रहा था. Question?
Was he writing?
Was he writing a letter? क्या वो letter लिख रहा था? And negative, he wasn't
writing a letter.
writing a letter. Okay. So this is what exactly he was writing a letter. Was he writing a letter? He wasn't writing a letter. Any doubts to anyone? Any doubts? वो
No,
letter
sir.
लिख रहा था. Same case you. अब you क्या है? Plural है. For you we are going to use the were. For example, you were. You were.
You were. Where?
You were making food. आप खाना बना रहे थे. Question? Were you making food? Negative. You weren't making food. Okay. You were making food. Were you making food? You weren't making food. All right. So this is what exactly past continuous tense. बहुत easy tense है. मैं ऐसा कर रहा था. मैं ऐसा करत होतो. That's what past continuous tense. मैं ये कर रहा था. I was calling my friend. Was I calling my friend? I wasn't calling my friend. I was having a shower. Was I having a shower? I wasn't having a shower. He was taking medicine. Was he taking medicine? He wasn't taking medicine. She was going for a picnic. Was she going for a picnic? She wasn't going for a picnic. He was asking for money. Was he asking for money? He wasn't asking for money. Can you please give me sentences one by one, one by one? Jyotsna ma'am, next Ankit,
He-
next Guddu,
he
next
was-
Osama, next Pradeep, next Shivdas, next Ankit. Yes, ma'am, continue.
He was driving a car. Was he driving a car? He wasn't driving a car.
Very good. Yes. Please make sentences with I. पहले I के साथ में sentence complete कीजिए, please.
I was
Yes.
playing in the morning. Was I playing in the morning? I wasn't playing in the morning.
Very good.
Ankit,
कोनी पण बोला पट करा चलो जल्दी
I
जल्दी.
watching a movie.
I was watching a movie.
I
Was I
was-
watching a movie?
I was watching movie. Was I watching movie? I wasn't watching a movie.
A movie. Very good.
A movie.
Was working in the morning. Was I working in the morning? I wasn't working in the morning.
Very good.
I was
Next.
walking on the road. Was I walking on the road? I wasn't walking on the road.
Good.
He
Next.
was breaking a glass. Was he breaking a glass? He wasn't breaking a glass.
Good. Yes.
I was swimming.
Was I swimming?
Was I swimming? I wasn't swimming.
Very good. Yes.
I was sketching. Was I sketching? I wasn't sketching.
Very.
I was eating. Was I eating? I want eating.
I wasn't eating. I was eating. Was I eating? I wasn't eating.
Wasn't eating.
Very good. Next. Chalo.
He was
next,
drinking
next.
juice. Was he drinking juice? He wasn't drinking juice.
Very good.
I was yesterday
Next.
call my friend. Was I yesterday call my friend? I wasn't yesterday call my friend.
Very good boy. गलत हो गया sentence वो.
कैसे?
कैसे गया? I was calling my friend. Was I calling my friend? I wasn't calling my friend.
Yesterday लगाया ना सर मैंने yesterday. गलत.
अब पन्नक्कन उधर ING आने मांगते ना.
हाँ.
गलत हो गया ना दोस्त. Continue please. I
I
was
was
calling my
allocated-
friend. Was I calling my friend? I wasn't calling my friend. Yes.
I was allocating work to team. Was I allocating work to team? I wasn't allocating work to team.
Okay. I was. Yes, continue please. I was.
I was
I was
completing my work.
arranging. I was arranging the meeting. Was I arranging the meeting? I wasn't arranging the meeting.
Very good. Next. Karthik.
I was completing my work. Was I completing my work? I wasn't completing my work.
Very good. Next.
I was working in the morning. Was I working in the morning? I wasn't working in the morning.
Very good.
I
Next.
was preparing project. Was preparing project. I wasn't preparing a project.
Very good. I was preparing a project. Was I preparing a project? I wasn't preparing a project. Next. Ma'am.
सर began के साथ कैसा होगा? Begin, began, begun.
I was beginning a business. Was I beginning a business? I wasn't beginning a business. I was beginning my work. Was I beginning my work? I wasn't beginning my work. I was beginning my day. Was I beginning my day? I wasn't beginning my day. मैं शुरुआत कर रहा था. I was beginning. Yes.
I
She was
was pulling
cutting
the
the
door.
fruits.
Was she cutting food?
Was she cutting fruits? She wasn't cutting fruits.
Shivdas.
I was pulling the door. Was I pulling the door? I wasn't pulling the door.
Very good. Yes.
I was traveling with friends. Was I traveling with friends? I wasn't traveling with friends.
Very good.
I was
was
buying
putting the
earphone.
lights.
Buying earphone. I wasn't buying earphone.
Very good.
I was putting the lights. Was I putting the lights? I wasn't putting the lights.
I was putting lights. Was I putting lights? I wasn't putting lights. Next.
I was eating pizza. Was I eating pizza? I wasn't eating pizza.
Good. Next.
They were thinking about festival. Were they thinking about festival? They weren't thinking about festival.
Very good. Next.
I
Please
was
take some
obeying the
verbs from
law.
here.
Was
Yeah.
I was obeying the law. Was I obeying the law? I wasn't obeying the law.
Very good. Take some verbs from here. Faster. I was.
I
जल्दी
was
जल्दी
attending
कीजिएगा please.
exam. Was I attending exam? I wasn't attending exam.
An exam.
I was
Very good.
I was closing my friend. Was I closing my friend? I wasn't closing my friend.
Very good.
I was
Next.
applying for job. Was I applying for the job? I wasn't applying for job.
I was collecting the money. Was I collecting the money? I wasn't collecting the money.
Very
They
good.
were answering questions. Were they answering questions? They weren't answering questions.
Very good.
I was climbing on the tree. Was I climbing on the tree? I wasn't climbing on the tree.
Sir,
Very good.
sir.
Yes.
Money के लिए 10 लगेंगे ना तो?
क्या बोलते हैं?
Money के लिए 2.
क्या?
Money के लिए 2 लगेंगे ना?
Yeah, we can say. अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज रहेगी तो बोल सकते हैं अपन उसके लिए. I was climbing. I was giving money. Was I giving the money? I wasn't giving the money. Yes, continue.
I was choosing a satchel. Was I switching? I was choosing a satchel. Sorry. I was choosing a satchel. Was I choosing a satchel? I wasn't switching a satchel.
Choosing.
I was comparing the mobile. Was I comparing the mobile? I wasn't comparing the mobile.
Very good.
I
Ankit, make sentences. Pradeep.
I was altering my trouser. Was I altering my trouser? I wasn't altering my trouser.
I was
Very good.
my trip. Was I canceling my trip? I wasn't canceling my trip.
Very good.
I was
I was
capturing the
reading a-
picture. Was I capturing the picture? I wasn't capturing the picture.
Very good.
I was
The plant was breathing.
continue.
I was breathing.
The plant was breathing. Was the plant breathing? The plant wasn't breathing.
Correct.
I was arriving in that airport. Was I arriving in that airport? I wasn't arriving in that airport.
Very good.
I was applying resume. Was I applying resume? I wasn't applying resume.
Very
I
good.
was
I was
dealing the
applying.
card. Was I dealing the card? I wasn't dealing the card.
Very good. Next.
सर एस्टोनिश का मीनिंग क्या है?
एस्टोनिश मतलब यानी हैरान करना. क्या बोलते हैं अपन उसको? चकित करना. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? आश्चर्य.
सरप्राइज.
सरप्राइज कर देना बोल सकते हैं. एस्टोनिश. Yes.
I was finding a mobile. Was I finding a mobile? I wasn't finding mobile.
Can you please make sentences with now he, she? Osama, why aren't you making sentences?
He was communicating with his friends. Was he communicating with his friends? He wasn't communicating with his friends.
Very good. Next.
He's connecting online. Was he connecting online? He wasn't connecting online.
Very good.
He was adopting the child. Was he adopting the child? He wasn't adopting the child.
Very good.
I was boiling a chicken. Was I boiling a chicken? I wasn't boiling a chicken.
I was watching IPL.
Was I?
Watching IPL. I was watching IPL.
Is it fixed? Fixed रहता है क्या IPL?
No.
Yes, sir.
मुंबई इंडियंस के अलावा कोई जीतता ही नहीं है यार.
Money.
अंबानी है ओनर.
ये भी बात बराबर है.
उसके सामने कोई है क्या इंडिया में?
अंकित बहुत कट्टर समर्थक है सर.
नहीं सही है. उसके सामने अभी फिलहाल में कोई नहीं है.
5 ट्रॉफी लेके गए सर उसने.
Good. Classic. चलो. He, she. Give me sentences, please. He was, she was.
सर
He was connecting-
एग्री का कैसा बनेगा? एग्री को ing लगेगा.
Yeah, we can put their ing. For example, he was agreeing with me. Was he agreeing with me? No, he wasn't agreeing with me. Yes.
He was calculating the maths. Was he calculating the maths? He wasn't calculating the maths.
Very good. Calculating the maths. Yes.
He was appearing in the class.
Because
He was playing
Was she
cricket.
appearing calm? She wasn't appearing be calm.
Yes,
He was
Ankit.
playing cricket. Was he playing cricket? He was playing cricket.
Very good.
He was
I
blaming.
was answering his phone. Was I answering his phone? I wasn't answering his phone.
He was blaming.
Very good.
Was he blaming? He wasn't blaming. Sir,
Very good. He was blaming. Yes.
वो blaming क्या कि मेरे को है ना बरोबर sentence बनाते नहीं आ रहा वो बोलो ना करा example मतलब
He was blaming me. Was he blaming me? He wasn't blaming me. He was blaming for excuses. Was he blaming for excuses? He wasn't blaming for excuses. She was blaming for laziness. Was she blaming for laziness? She wasn't blaming for laziness.
इसलिए मैंने थैंक यू सर मैंने इसलिए शॉर्ट ही बनाया मेरे को बरोबर से
Ah, never mind. Chalo, continue. Osama, Shivdas, make sentences.
Was applying for passport. Was he applying for passport? Passport. He wasn't applying for passport.
Correct. Passport.
He was
He was
approaching
asking.
people. Was he approaching people? He wasn't approaching people.
Very good.
He was asking for hike in salary. Was he asking for hike in salary? He wasn't asking for hike in salary.
Very good.
he was arresting the criminal was she arresting the criminal she wasn't arresting the criminal
Very good. Keep on, ma'am. Make sentences, please. Faster,
the numbers
faster,
the
faster.
numbers was ascending order. Was the numbers ascending order? The numbers was it ascending order?
Very good. The numbers were in ascending order. Numbers were.
Where? Okay.
Yes.
He was arriving in the Mumbai. Was he arriving in the Mumbai? He
In
wasn't
Mumbai.
arriving in Mumbai.
In
in the
Mumbai.
In
Yes,
Mumbai.
Ankit. Ankit, make sentences,
He was
please.
driving a car. Was he
Was
driving
he-
a car?
He wasn't.
He wasn't driving a car.
Very good.
He was
Next.
singing a song. Was he singing a song? He wasn't singing a song.
Very good.
He was accepting
Sir.
his mistake. Was he accepting his mistake? He wasn't accepting his mistake.
she was
Very good.
adopting the baby was she adopting the baby she wasn't adopting the baby
Adopting the baby. Next.
Sir.
She was
Sir.
distributing the sweets. Was she distributing the sweets? She wasn't distributing the sweets.
Yes, Pradeep.
He was
Sir,
traveling.
burp means B-U-R-P.
डकार लेते ना खाने के बाद में. That is burping. Yes, Ankit.
He was traveling Goa.
Was it traveling to Goa?
He was traveling Goa. He was traveling Goa.
Very good. Very good. Okay, next. Can you please make sentences with it was?
It was climbing on the tree. Was it climbing on the tree? It wasn't climbing on the tree.
Good. Next.
Was borrowing money. Was it borrowing money? It wasn't borrowing money.
Yes, Karthik, Shivdas, Osama, make sentences. Good do.
yes sir
He was,
was.
defeating his enemies. It
Was it? Was it defeating?
his enemies. He wasn't defeating his enemies.
Very good.
it was deciding the go to college was it deciding the go to college it wasn't deciding the go to college
Very good. Yes.
it was
Yes.
asking the question was
It was climbing the mountain. Was it climbing the mountain? It wasn't climbing the mountain.
Very good. Next.
It was collecting tickets.
Was it collecting?
Tickets? It wasn't collecting tickets.
Next.
It was
It was
approaching
carrying the
towards me.
things.
Was it?
Was it approaching towards me? It wasn't approaching towards me.
Very good. Next.
It was carrying the things. Was it carrying the things? It wasn't carrying the things.
Very good. Next.
it was allowing the playing cricket was it allowing the
Allowing to play cricket.
allowing play cricket was
It wasn't.
it wasn't sorry it was allowing play cricket was it allowing play cricket it wasn't allowing play cricket
To play cricket.
to play cricket
Osama.
It was cancelling the ticket. Was it cancelling the ticket? It wasn't cancelling the ticket.
Very good. Next.
It was crying a lot. Was it crying a lot? It wasn't crying a lot.
Very good. Next.
It was arranging the money. Was it arranging the money? It wasn't arranging the money.
Very good. Can you please make sentences now with you were?
It
You
was
were.
married.
It was.
It was married for 5 years.
No, no, no. Married वहां पर adjective है. I want verb plus ing. It was marrying. तो लग्न करत होता. पण कोण? It
was
किसके लिए use
It
होता है?
was boiling.
We use it for animals, things, baby and places.
It was
It
hiring
was boiling.
Sorry, sir.
It was hiring employee. Was it hiring employee? It wasn't hiring employee.
Employees. Very good. Yes, continue.
UV देख
You
लिए
were-
You were acquiring the land. Were you acquiring the land? You weren't acquiring the land.
Very good.
You were betraying my friend. Were you betraying my friend? You weren't betraying my friend.
Very good.
You were below me.
You like a child. Where you behave like a child, you won't behave like a child.
No, but my friend, there should be verb plus ing. You were looking like a child. Were you looking like a child? You weren't looking like a child.
So
You were
behaving
helping.
Supporting to me.
You were supporting me.
Were you supporting me?
You weren't.
You weren't supporting me.
Very good.
You were acting like a child. Were you acting like a child? You weren't acting like a child.
You were
Very
below
good.
me. Were you believe me? You weren't believe me.
Very good. You
You
will.
were cleaning
you
the
will-
room. Were
You were believing me.
You weren't cleaning the room.
Correct. Correct.
you were blaming me. Were you blaming me? You
You weren't
weren't blaming me.
blaming me. Very good. Very good.
You were
Yes,
attending
continue.
the lectures. Were you attending the lectures? You weren't attending the lectures.
Very
You
good.
were
Continue,
you
please.
were
Were you driving a car?
congratulating me.
You were boiling a fish. Were you boiling a fish? You were boiling a fish.
Very
You
good.
Were you
Next.
driving a car?
Reading a newspaper. You weren't reading a newspaper.
Very good. टक्कर नहीं मारना.
You-
अच्छे से देना एक एक करके. Yes.
You were approaching towards your goal. Were you approaching towards goal? You weren't approaching towards your goal.
Very good. Ankit.
You were capsizing from
You
scope.
were
Where you capsizing from scopes. You
You weren't.
weren't capsizing from cops.
Very good. Next.
You were completing the
borrowing
task. Were you
money.
completing the task? You weren't completing the task.
Very good.
You were borrowing a money. Were you borrowing a money? You weren't borrowing a money.
You weren't borrowing money. Very good. Yes. Completing
They were
task.
they were digesting everything. Were they digesting everything? They weren't digesting everything.
Very good. Please make sentence with you, we, they. You, we, they. You were, we were, they were. Ankit.
We are making issues.
Were
We
they?
are making issues. We
Were we?
were they making issues? Were we making issues? We weren't making issues.
Correct.
Then
One.
We
They
were
were
driving a car.
encouraging.
Where we were driving a car.
Were we?
Where we drive a car, we weren't driving a car.
Driving a car. Very good. We were driving a car. Were we driving a car? We weren't driving a car.
You
Yes.
were covering all syllabus. Were you covering all syllabus? You weren't covering all syllabus.
Very good. Next.
They were
They were-
encouraging us. Were they encouraging us? They weren't encouraging us.
Very good.
they were kidnapping the
Were
child.
they going to Pune? They weren't going to Pune.
Continue.
Very good. They were they were. Yes, continue.
We were estimating the cost. Were we estimating the cost? We weren't estimating the cost.
Oh, that's a way we hotoy, we they hotoy.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Good.
They were
Emptying
But by the way, it was a
They
good
are
sentence.
emptying the water.
Were they? Yes, Osama.
Were they emptying the water?
They
They
weren't.
were emptying the water. They they were emptying the water. Where they emptying the water, they weren't emptying the water.
They were cooking in hotel. Were they cooking in hotel? They weren't cooking in hotel.
They
Ma'am,
were explaining the plan. Were they explaining the plan? They weren't explaining the plan.
very good.
They,
They were
they were
they were
dragging
dipping
a
in the
line. Were they dragging a line? They weren't dragging a line.
Very good.
they were
Pradeep,
dipping in the they were dipping in the sea.
They
Were
weren't.
they dipping in the sea? They weren't dipping in the sea.
They
Guddu,
were facing the problem. Were they facing the problem? They weren't facing the problem.
very good. Facing the problem. Good. Guddu.
Sir.
Yes.
They were covering in notebook. Were they covering in notebook? They weren't covering in notebook.
Very good.
We
Ankit,
were explaining the facts. Were we explaining the facts? We weren't explaining the facts.
very good.
They were killing enemies. Were they killing enemies? They weren't killing enemies.
Killing enemies. Very good.
Were they helping in people? They weren't helping in people.
Helping people. Helping people.
Helping people.
They were
Very.
They
crossing.
were
Yeah,
Continue.
Karthik.
They were all right.
They
Were
were
they all right? Where
They were riding. Were they riding? They weren't riding.
they were crossing the signal. Were they crossing the signal? They weren't crossing the signal.
Very good.
They were enjoying trip. Were they enjoying trip? They weren't enjoying trip.
Very good. Next.
They
Yeah.
were crushing the strawberry. Were they crushing the strawberry? They weren't crushing the strawberry.
they
Very
were
good.
10x. Were they 10x? Where
ING कुठे आपला ING. They were.
they
They
were
They were
they were facing vocabulary problem. Were they facing vocabulary problem? They were facing vocabulary problem.
Very good. They were.
They were-
They were facing.
They were in.
You are disliking her. You are disliking her. Were you disliking her? Won't you?
You weren't.
Were you weren't disliking her?
शिवदास आपण असं बोलू शकतो का?
They were
Can we say
creating.
like this?
They were creating new things.
Wait, Karthik. Wait, Karthik.
What's that?
Karthik, wait. Can we say like this?
No,
No. Why, Pradeep?
Yes, sir.
sir, because
Ma'am.
dislike.
Correct. Very good. Very good.
It's an emotion, sir.
Correct. It's an emotion. Osama, it's an emotion. We can't say they were disliking me.
Yeah.
We can't say they were loving me. They were missing me. We can't say like this. They were liking me. Okay. Good. Chala, Karthik. Continue.
Entering in pub. Were they entering in pub? They weren't entering in pub.
Very
They
good.
were creating new things. Were they creating new things? They weren't creating new things.
Very good. Guddu is asking what's the meaning of haunt in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
The meaning of haunt is what? छेड़ना. आपने किसी को छेड़ा था क्या आज?
No, sir.
Okay.
सर हंटिंग म्हणजे शिकार पण ना.
That is
sir.
hunting. शिकार. Hunting.
They were
शिकार
converting
करना.
the data. Were they converting the data? They weren't converting the data.
Correct.
They were crossing his limit. Were they crossing limit? They weren't crossing limit.
Very good.
We were dancing on the floor. Were we dancing on the floor? We weren't dancing on the floor.
Very good.
They were copying the file. Were they copying the file? They weren't copying the file.
Very good.
They were
were,
exchanging the
crying
books.
on
Were they
his wedding.
exchanging the books? They weren't exchanging the books.
Correct.
They were crying on his wedding. Were they crying on his wedding? They weren't crying on his wedding.
They were earning in money. Were they earning in money? They weren't earning in money. They were
Earning money. The tiger was hunting. Was the tiger hunting? The tiger wasn't hunting. And I was haunting. Was I haunting? I wasn't haunting.
No.
HAUNT. Haunting. Yeah, continue.
They were crossing the river. Were they crossing the river? They weren't crossing the river.
They were
Very
dance. They were dancing the club. Were they dancing the club? They won't dancing the club.
Very good.
They were kidnapping in goal. Were they kidnapping in goal? They weren't kidnapping in goal.
Very good.
They were exchanging the ideas. Were they exchanging the ideas? They weren't exchanging the ideas.
They
Very
were
good.
We were conducting the meeting. They were conducting the meeting. We won't conducting the meeting.
Very good.
They were kicking a football. Were they kicking a football? They weren't kicking a football.
Very good.
You were delaying the delivery. Were you delaying the delivery? You weren't delaying
Delaying the delivery.
delaying the delivery.
They
Very
were
good. Next.
They were exchanging a cloth. Were they exchanging a cloth? They weren't exchanging a cloth.
Ma'am,
She was excusing. Was she excusing? She weren't excusing.
she was. She
Were-
was.
Was sir.
Yeah. Karthik.
They were existing the match. Were they existing the match? They won't existing the match.
Good. Next.
They were disliking a food. Were they disliking a food? They weren't disliking a food.
Can you say like this, Pradeep? Ma'am,
No, sir. No, sir.
why?
Oh my, ये क्या बोलते हैं?
Emotion.
Correct. It is an emotion. Very good.
Sir,
Continue. Ankit, sentences please. Ankit.
sir, food को भी
Shivdas. Yes,
I
my dear,
was-
but we can't say disliking.
I was explaining topic by topic. Was I explaining topic by topic? I wasn't explaining topic by topic.
Very good. Next.
You were hesitating to talk her. Were you hesitating to talk her? You weren't hesitating to talk her.
To talk to her.
Talk to
Yes,
her.
sir.
Yes.
He was kicking the ball. Was he kicking the ball? He wasn't kicking the ball.
Very good.
They were cooking the food. Were they cooking the food? They weren't cooking the food.
They
Very
were
good.
enlarging the image. Were they enlarging the image? They weren't enlarging the image.
Very
They
good.
were joining a class. Were they joining a class? They weren't joining a class.
Very good.
They are
बहुत easy
damaging
है.
the
बहुत
world.
easy है. It is
Currently
really very
damaging the
easy.
world. They want damaging the world.
Nice. Yes. चलो भाई जल्दी. Ankit, Karthik, Shivdas.
They were correcting the answer. Were they correcting the answer? They won't correcting the answer.
Correct. Yes, they were collaborating. Question.
Were they collaborating?
Correct. Were they collaborating?
Food collaborating.
They weren't.
Collaborating.
And they
They want
weren't
collaborating.
collaborating. Next.
सर आपके पास ये है क्या मतलब डिसलाइकिंग वगैरह के सर ऐसे लिस्ट है कोई वर्ड्स के जो नहीं यूज कर सकते ऐसे कुछ लिस्ट
नहीं है ऐसा पर्टिकुलर तो नहीं है but still you can just judge them that the emotions will not put their ing.
ओके सर
Emotions and feelings will not put ing with them.
लविंग केयरिंग नहीं आएगा सर ओके
Never. Yes, anything else? Please make sentences with names. बहुत देर से आप लोग इसके साथ सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं. Can you please make sentences with names? For example, Ankit was dealing. Question. Was Ankit dealing? And negative.
Ankit wasn't
It
dealing.
wasn't.
Ankit wasn't dealing. Next one. For example, आज absent है. Chaitali was
Examining.
reading. Examining. Okay, nice example. Chaitali was examining and examining. Both are correct. Okay. Chaitali was examining him. Was Chaitali examining him? And negative is what? Chaitali
Wasn't.
wasn't Examining him. Okay. So what do you mean by examining? मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं examining को? आजमाना.
ऑब्जर्व करना.
Observe करना. आजमाना.
परीक्षा देणे.
परीक्षा घेणे.
घेणे.
कोणाची परीक्षा घेणे. है क्या नहीं? प्रदीप परीक्षा घेणे.
चैताली परीक्षा घेत होती.
हा, चैताली परीक्षा घेत होती त्याची. आपला प्रदीप कसं परीक्षा देत आहे? फक्त तूच बोलली ना माझ्यासोबत आहे तू. खरं का पण? चलो. Yes. Can you please give me some sentences with the names?
सर एक क्वेश्चन था सर. एक क्वेश्चन था.
Please ask.
सर मीनिंगफुल है. सर चैताली परीक्षा घेत होती. का चैताली परीक्षा घेत होती, मतलब इसको क्वेश्चन में मराठी में सर कैसे पूछेंगे?
चैताली परीक्षा घेत होती का? चैताली परीक्षा घेत होती का? आणि चैताली परीक्षा, हा, आणि चैताली परीक्षा येत नव्हती.
ओके सर. यस. ओके सर, थँक यू.
Good.
Rohit was dealing in sixes. Was Rohit dealing in sixes? Rohit wasn't dealing in sixes.
Good.
John was investigating the crime. Was John investigating the crime? John wasn't investigating the crime.
Very good.
Ria was dipping in the cream. Was Ria dipping in the cream? Ria wasn't dipping in the cream.
Very good. Very good. Karthik.
Shivdas was
सर एक बार वापस समझ.
earphone. Was
Simple.
Shivdas was by earphone.
खाली नाम लेना है अपने को और was लगाना है. Simple. Guddu was playing football. Was Guddu playing football? Guddu wasn't playing football.
Manish was playing cricket. Was Manish playing cricket? Manish wasn't playing cricket.
Sir, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते सर अपन. Rohit was loving football.
No. रोहित फुटबॉल से प्यार कर रहा था. आहा. सेंटेंस के अंदर ही वो खतरनाक दिख रहा है सेंटेंस वो.
बोल रहा.
Rohit was playing PUBG. Was Rohit playing PUBG? Rohit wasn't playing PUBG.
Very good.
The eagle was flying in the sky. Was the eagle flying in the sky? The eagle wasn't flying in the sky.
Very good.
Mahesh was lying to her. Was Mahesh lying to her? Mahesh wasn't lying to her.
Very good. Salah Mahesh.
Diwali was enjoyable. Continue.
Continue that because मैंने pick डाला. Continue Karthik. Ma'am.
The judge was hearing the case. Was the judge hearing the case? The judge wasn't hearing the case.
Very good. Guddu, say something. Namrata, Sushma,
Sam
Amrita,
was creating
Shabana,
the team.
Asma.
Was Sam creating the team? Sam wasn't creating the team.
Very good. Shivdas. Pradeep. Pradeep, tell your colleagues' names.
Chaitali was attending a lecture. Was Chaitali attending a lecture? Chaitali wasn't attending a lecture.
Yes.
Was teaching a lecture.
Suresh was buying a new phone. Was Suresh buying a new phone? Suresh wasn't buying a new phone.
Very good.
John was managing the task. Was John managing the task? John wasn't managing the task.
Very good.
Chaitali was leaving class. Was Chaitali leaving class? Chaitali wasn't leaving class.
Very good.
I was booking the ticket. Sorry, sir.
Was I?
Was I booking the ticket? I wasn't booking the ticket.
Sunny was attending.
Very good.
Was Sunny attending the lecture? Sunny wasn't attending the lecture.
Very good.
Avinash was a hardworking person. Was Avinash hardworking person? Avinash wasn't a hardworking person.
Not exactly.
The tiger was roaring. Was tiger
Roaring. The tiger wasn't
roaring.
Very good. Yes, continue. Guddu.
Pandey was playing a cricket. Was Pandey playing a cricket? Pandey wasn't playing a cricket.
Playing cricket, not Karthik. Ma'am. Osama.
Water was
Pradeep.
waving in the ocean. Was water waving in the ocean? Water wasn't waving in the ocean.
Very
Rohit
good.
was
Next.
killing Delhi.
And
Was Rohit killing Delhi? Rohit wasn't killing Delhi.
Very good.
an apple was falling from the tree. Was an apple falling from the tree? An apple wasn't falling from the tree.
Very good. See,
Shivdas
one more thing is there. I would like you to do at home is what tomorrow you are going to tell me an article on this tense. Okay, give me an article just in 2 minutes. You will get 2 minutes and you will have to speak up on in that 2 minutes the article on the basis of past continuous tense. For example, yesterday I was going to the market and I found there was a man. I was talking to him. I was buying some vegetables. Then that man was looking at me. So please try to make an article with past continuous tense. Okay, थोड़ा सा बनाने की कोशिश करना है. At least 10 to 15 sentences it must be there in the article. Okay, then I was coming back
Every
home.
sentence should not be past continuous, na, sir?
No, yeah, see, as you are listening me, every sentence will not fix in past continuous tense. Then I was coming home. I found a rickshaw. So I found an auto. So वहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं I was finding an auto. ऐसा हर जगह पे फेंकने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, but you have to use the most of the time that past for an auto. Then I got a bus. Then I was coming back home. I found there was an old man. He was in trouble. I was helping him to cross the road. Then that man was blessing me a lot. Then I got back home. Then I was making dinner at night. Then I was having dinner about 9 o'clock. Then I got see, at least you are going to try. Why? Just for the practice. That's it. Okay, so you're at least of your past continuous tense. All right, guys. Good. Continue. Flora was hesitating to communicate. Was Flora hesitating to communicate? Flora wasn't hesitating to communicate. Karthik was playing cricket. Was Karthik playing cricket? Karthik wasn't playing cricket. Osama was Osama was agitating. Was Osama agitating? Osama wasn't agitating. Guddu was capsizing. Was Guddu capsizing? Guddu wasn't capsizing. Shivdas was marveling. Was Shivdas marveling? Shivdas wasn't marveling. Yes, continue, please.
Shivdas was sending a photo. Was Shivdas was sending a photo? Shivdas wasn't sending a photo.
Very good.
Lina was shutting the door. Was Lina shutting the door? Lina
Sir,
wasn't shutting
agitating
the door.
means what, sir?
Agitating means what? Getting
I was
confused.
okay.
हिचकिचाना ना sir?
Hichkichana.
Okay, sir.
Agitate. That is hesitate, huh, ma'am? Hichkichana, hesitate.
हाँ sir.
I'm saying agitate.
Okay sir.
और जो आप बोल रही हैं हिचकिचाना, that is hesitate.
SITAT ना sir वो?
Correct. This one.
HESI.
Hesitate, and
Yes,
this
sir.
agitate means what? Getting confused.
Write down the
Yes, continue.
meaning of सामने से.
Pardon?
Meaning सामने. असं लिख दो.
Agitate means what? Getting confused. And hesitate means what? Hichkichana. To be embarrassed. Yes? Continue, please.
The bird was catching the snake. Was the bird catching the snake? The bird wasn't catching the snake.
Very good.
Children was playing in the garden. Was
Children were.
were playing in the garden. Were children playing in the garden? Children weren't playing in the garden.
Very good. Yes. Continue, please. Continue, please. Helena was laughing. Was Helena laughing? Helena wasn't laughing. Johnson was criticizing. Was Johnson criticizing? Johnson wasn't criticizing. Shane was asking. Was Shane asking? Shane wasn't asking. Peter was climbing. What was Peter climbing? Peter wasn't climbing. Sam was disgusting. Was Sam disgusting? Sam wasn't disgusting.
John was hitting hard. Was John hitting hard? John wasn't hitting hard.
Good.
The
Julie was
ducks were
extinguishing.
swimming.
Was this?
The ducks were swimming. Were the ducks swimming? The ducks weren't swimming.
Duck. The duck was swimming. Was the duck swimming? The duck wasn't swimming. Or the ducks were swimming. Were the ducks swimming? The ducks weren't swimming. Yes.
Peter
Anything
was-
else? Yeah.
Peter was
Shivdas.
hunting the tiger. Was Peter hunting the tiger? Peter wasn't hunting the tiger.
Very good. Next.
Connor was jumping high. Was Connor jumping high? Connor wasn't jumping high.
Next.
We are entering the gate. We
were
entering the gate. Where
Were
we
we?
entering the gate. We weren't entering the gate.
Very good. Next.
They
Yes.
were hooping the gift. Were they hooping the gift? They weren't hooping the gift.
Good. Next.
They were estimating the power. Were they estimating the power? They weren't estimating the power.
Very good.
We were
Anything else?
cancelling the ticket. Were we
She was-
cancelling the
Very good.
ticket? We weren't cancelling the ticket.
Very good. Next.
George was
She were
exchanging
existing-
the money.
Was George?
Was George exchanging the money? George wasn't exchanging the money.
Very good. Yes, ma'am.
She were existing suddenly. Were she existing suddenly? She weren't existing suddenly.
Correct. Anything else?
Sir, what is the meaning of immediate, sir?
Copy.
Copy, no? Okay,
Rose
okay.
was dancing. Was not dancing. Rose wasn't dancing.
Correct. All right, guys. So here we go. Would like to tell you something about this past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is one of the most easiest tense in English. We use past continuous tense when something was going on in the past, but nothing in the present. Okay. And the rule is in front of you. I was sleeping. Was I sleeping? I wasn't sleeping. He was writing. Was he writing? He wasn't writing. She was making. You were making food. Were you making food? You weren't making food. They were collaborating. Were they collaborating? They weren't collaborating. Ankit was dealing. Was Ankit dealing? Ankit wasn't dealing. Chaitali was examining him. Was Chaitali examining him? Chaitali wasn't examining him. So we have done these sentences over here with the names as well. So if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me directly. And please keep on practicing at home and watch the videos, the recordings of classes, and get back tomorrow. And tomorrow we shall have another tense of English. This is the sixth tense. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to have the sixth tense of English, and that's what future continuous tense. And after that, from the next week, we are going to start modal auxiliary verbs. So please don't be absent. Yes, good.
Sir, continue, Guddu, continue.
आज की वीडियो कब आएंगी सर क्लासरूम पे?
रात तक मिल जाएगी आपको. रात
सर
तक मिल
क्या
जाएगी.
सर ये पिक्चर डिक्शनरी क्या है सर?
Yes,
पिक्चर डिक्शनरी.
that I'll give you. Don't worry. I'll send it today. Inshallah.
सर ओके सर प्लीज सर. I want to see,
Yeah.
sir.
Sure. Don't worry. सबको मिल जाएगा जो पिक्चर डिक्शनरी आप सब लोगों को मिल जाएगा. Don't worry. All right.
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, thank you,
Happy
sir.
Diwali once again to all of you.
Same to you, sir.
सर दिवाली का गिफ्ट
दिवाली गिफ्ट भी
Sir,
मिलेगा आप लोग को.
Sir, gift.
नहीं, मिलेगा,
No,
मिलेगा.
we need gift, sir.
सब लोग को नहीं दूंगा मैं. उसका भी गिफ्ट दूंगा मैं आप लोग को. दिवाली का गिफ्ट भी मिलेगा आप लोग को.
मला पण हॅपी दिवाळी.
या थैंक यू सो मच. सो जैसा भी ईद पे मिलता है तो दिवाली पे भी मिलता है आप लोगों को गिफ्ट. अपने क्लास के अंदर पहले से चलता आ रहा है. ईद एंड दिवाली के ऊपर गिफ्ट मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स लोग को. सो दिस टाइम आई विल बी गिविंग यू द गिफ्ट ऑफ
हमारे बैच क्लास में
दिवाली.
लकी है सर.
या नो डोंट वरी. नो वैसे बाकी क्लासेस को भी ईद पे और दिवाली पे गिफ्ट्स मिलते हैं.
कैसे सर?
जब तक या सो दिस टाइम आल्सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट बिकॉज़ आप लोग ईद के टाइम पे नहीं थे. दिवाली के टाइम पे तो है. आपको मिलेगा. डोंट वरी. ऑलराइट.
Okay,
See
sir.
you. Cheerio.
Thank you, sir. Cheerio, sir.
Thank you, sir. Cheerio.
Bye.
Cheerio.